Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday to you folks. We're going to quickly cover Shiba Inu in terms of its price, the technicals, and a bit of news. What is going on with Shiba Inu right now? I can guarantee you guys are absolutely tunnel vision glued to Shiba Inu being one of the most outrageously hot meme coins right now. So let's talk about it. We're also going to break down, in my opinion, a bit of the Shiba Inu dilemma towards the end of this video, so do watch through the whole thing. And yeah, I want to just talk about right now what is going on, because we're seeing consolidation here for Shiba Inu, which is absolutely fantastic, especially over a weekend, which is usually very volatile, very unpredictable. We are seeing Shiba Inu consolidate, maybe preparing itself for the next leg up. So if you are new here to the channel and you guys know how memes work, like the video, get more people looking at Shiba Inu to hopefully help inflate the price of Shiba Inu, and subscribe if you're looking to hit those 2024 goals for your crypto portfolio. So fear and greed index, extreme greed. We're seeing numbers that we've not seen in basically a year. The last time we were extreme greed was May 2023, where we saw the inception of Pepe coin, and that created a lot of FOMO and greed, and we're getting it all over again. And what's crazy is you can see that on this chart here, just the overall greed and how people are feeling in the markets right now. What else has happened over the last 7 days? The markets have gone from a $2 trillion value, as in the overall global blockchain valuation, creeping up to 2.37 trillion. So we're only about 500 billion, I believe, away from the overall time high in terms of blockchains overall value. So that is absolutely massive, guys. Shiba Inu is currently breaking out at the time of making this video. We could potentially see Shiba rise back to a previous swing high. As you can see, it's basically moving. It is breaking out. Now we could see a retest of that resistance at $0.00002428, which would be very, very exciting. And I know you guys are chasing an all-time high over here. We've got 589 trillion SHIB in circulation. We need to see around a 3 something X here, about a 3.25X for Shiba in terms of its market capital to get back to those previous highs that we saw in November of 2021. And I think it's realistic. It's a possibility in this market. I don't know if it will happen next week or in the next coming year, but it's certainly like, you know, getting closer and closer. And this is what we've been waiting for. Patient investors are now making big money. And if you're still new to the markets, it could potentially still be good. We'll talk about other meme coins that are trending right now as well in this video towards the end of it. So do stick around through this video. But yeah, looks really, really good. Breaking out of this key resistance, we want to see a retest of 0.00002459. If we do get that retest, we could get some continuation to the upside using our FIB extension. We are really targeting the 1618, the golden pocket, and also the 141 region. That's a big point of interest, which would allow for a bit more room for growth here for Shiba, a 20% move to the upside. And if we do get more major continuation, the next level that we really want to see is the 0.00003 level. That is very, very important to try and target that level and flip that into a support. So before we talk about those all-time highs, of course, we want to see that happen first, but overall, the weekly candle has just been outrageous. We spoke about the perfect area to accumulate Shiba Inu, which was 0.00000597, based on the relative strength index. And right now, looking at that weekly RSI, it's at an overbought area, similar to what we saw back then. So, you know, using this data, that shows you that the upside potential is for now minimized. And ideally, what you want to see now, you know, if you're really here for the long-term side of things, you would want to see this RSI come back down to like 60, let's say to 60, or, you know, something like even down to the 40 zone. You want it to come back down to 40, but what you want whilst that happens is a correction for Shiba, and you want the 40 RSI all over again, but you want that to happen, and at the same time, you want the price to be higher. You want to go back down to a lower RSI, but with a higher average price, a better median price. And that would be much better to see the average price of Shiba Inu increased However, you're at the same sort of sell-off value, you've got the same sort of sell volume and the same fear in the market. Then you know the project is actually growing in terms of its sort of fair value, and that's what could happen. So we could still see a reduction in price for Shiba Inu if the markets want to reverse and we do get a correction. That's fine. We could see a 30% correction before doing 5-10x to the upside. So right now it is just seeing how the market plays. Try not to fight the market, try not to go short, try not to go long. And you know, if you held from many days ago or weeks ago, you're doing great. But right now it is a risky market. It's risky to be going 100x into some of these meme coins. It's risky to be going 10x into some of these meme coins, but the trend is your friend. Right now we are seeing the coins go up. So let me know down in the comments, what do you think will happen for Shiba Inu? I'd love to see the price go up more. I do think personally we will get some more continuation to the upside, but downside play is never ruled out and could happen over the next few months if we do get a bearish reversal. Shiba Inu burn rate skyrockets by 30,000% as well, guys. In other news, 4 million Shiba tokens have been removed from circulation in the last 24 hours. 4 million is really not a large amount when you got 589 trillion in circulation. That is barely a decimal. But overall, what has been happening in the background as well for Shiba, you can see the price soared over 50%. So what happened on chain in the past 3 days leading to the bump? One smart trader, Ox37D, withdrew 75 billion SHIB worth 1.5 million from Binance 2 days ago before the pump, now making 600k in a couple of days. Number 2, MakerDAO founder Rune Kek bought 7.41 billion SHIB with 100k USDC, allegedly for the first time 13 hours ago. He's made a lot of money, and that's a very bullish move, a big whale buy out there. Obviously a very big, influencer himself in the market, or a powerful figure, the founder of a massive protocol being MakerDAO. Wallet Ox02E, related to Upbit, has accumulated 2 trillion. That is ridiculous. $42 million worth of Shiba in the past 24 hours. Currently the 7th largest holding wallet of Shiba. So that is absolutely crazy. But what I always just think is, why don't these people buy it in the bear market? They would have been so much better off. Shiba burn, we can see total burn from the initial supply, very big number. So the max total supply is at 999 trillion, I think. Yeah, total supply is 589 trillion. Circulating supply is 581 trillion. The rest is staked through platforms. So the total burn from initial supply is 410 trillion right now. We need to see more burning, which will help overall with things. And that will go back to our little story on the Shiba Inu dilemma, which isn't really a big dilemma, but it's just something to bear in mind. And you should do this and apply this to every single coin, by the way. Also want to say, if you are out there looking to hit your crypto goals, Crypto Legends, you guys are going to get a new fair launch, or a stealth launch, probably a fair launch, because you guys will hear about it before the public. Actually, no, it's going to be a bit of a VIP sort of stealth launch. So stealths, because the VIP Discord, you guys will hear about it first. A big upside potential coins. And if you want to get all those trading signals, grow your portfolio this 2024, do check out the Patreon down below. Thank you to all the supporters. We're trying our best to make it as good as possible. So Meme Combat, in other news, 1 day, 23 hours to go now. Clock is ticking for this awesome 10x potential pre-sale. Not financial advice, guys, but this is one of the only doxed KYC'd meme coins that is launching now in the cryptocurrency space. So just have a look at it, do some research, due diligence. It's really cool, play to earn, innovative platform, and they've got NFTs launching and being teased very soon. This is another very big thing here for Meme Combat, the ecosystem that could potentially blow up very soon and be another trending meme coin. Just hit 20,000 followers. Is launching on the 5th of March at 6 p.m. CET. So check it out, do some research, save the date type of thing. We'll also talk about some other meme coins very quickly. We've got a bit of time to do so. Sponge meme coin, we've been talking about this recently. They've now bridged and staked 14 million. And this is the big movement. This is a big transition for them. They went from Ethereum chain to the Polygon chain, and you can see it states here, launching on bigger and better exchanges. We're talking about the bullish upside of the price here in the markets, and since we've been covering Sponge, the price has been rocketing. It's now up 129%. We are potentially targeting another leg up here for Sponge to go from 0.0016 to around 0.001714. If you want to look at Sponge as well, there is a link down below to do some research. You can connect your wallet here for 183% rewards. Remember, that is not financial advice. We also had Smog. This token went absolutely crazy. VIPs in the Discord channel got to learn about Smog before everyone else. They made a 10x. Absolutely crazy. Could potentially see a bullish breakout here for smog as well, getting a bit of a W pattern. So if we do get the breakout for smog, could be looking at the 2618 as well, which would take the price of smog up about 25%. If you like the sound of that, link down below, research smog as well. You can buy it on the OTC over here at a discount for 10% off here. You can buy it and also stake for 42% APY if you want to do that. Link is down below for smog. Check it out. Now, Shiba Inu, I want to just share with you, with the current burn rate of things very, very quickly. And I kind of hope this helps you guys understand a little bit. The MC and the price. Well, we're getting the supply. So that is the equation for supply. Market capital divided by the price at the current time equals the current supply. So the Shiba Inu dilemma, loads of coins are suffering with inflation in the markets. Luckily, Shiba Inu is not that inflationary, but if we kind of go back in time, look at the charts, you can see where we hit those all-time highs, by MC and also price. The good thing is you can see the market capital and the price is very much mirroring each other because there's not that much inflation, which is good. If you saw the supply go up by 2x, then you're going to see the price diminish even though the market capital could go up. So here we can see, look, November 2021, the price is 0.00007157. Supply, November 2021, was 544 trillion tokens. Fast forward to today, we can see March 2024, the market capital of Shiba Inu is 12.91 billion. The price we know is 0.000022. The supply is $589 trillion. So we know that we've seen roughly 45 trillion new tokens injected to the ecosystem over the last sort of 2.5 years. So that is effectively an inflationary supply. We want to see that supply go down. But what we need for an all-time high to happen now, basically, because it has had some inflationary input, it's going to be effectively harder to get back to the all-time high because of the new tokens that dilutes each value of token. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Sometimes I can't even speak. Like this stuff is crazy, isn't it? So new market capital at all-time high equals $42 billion because there are now more tokens. So to get back to that, if you think Shiba Inu can get an all-time high, you need to believe that it can get a $42 billion market capital. If you want it to do a 2x from its previous all-time high, supply would have to stay the same at 589 trillion, but it would also have to go to $84 billion in order to see a price of 2 times of 0.00007. So for 3 zeros price of Shiba Inu to do a 2x on its previous all-time high, you need $84 billion value. And we know roughly 15 trillion new tokens per year are being injected, which is why we want to see more of this burning stuff. We want to see more of these tokens burn and gone away forever. That would be really, really cool. So guys, that's about wrap really with Shiba Inu. Obviously we've got lots of hot tokens out there to pick from as well. Smog, Sponge, Meme Combat is probably my favorite right now. I do hold about $7,000 worth of it, anticipating hopefully a 5 to 10x with this coin. So yeah, guys, I hope this was somewhat insightful. If you're new here, slap the subscribe button. Honestly, going to do my best to help you guys grow this year. And do consider becoming a patron if you want all those VIP exclusive benefits tailored just for you in a huge Discord. And you can see these guys are waiting for the drop, the VIP chat, waiting for the drop, the big launch for tomorrow. I'll find out more very soon and let you all know. And the public will find out later. But by then, it could have already done a 5 or 10x. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. I'm not pressuring you too much, but hey, time is money, right? That's the truth. And thank you for watching this video. We're going to wrap up now. Like the video, let everyone know about Shiba Inu and how Shiba Inu can potentially keep going 2, 3, 4, 5x from here. And yeah, just congrats to anyone in the market that is up. Yep. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now. And yeah, peace.